Oh, the refrigerator full. Oh, the refrigerator full. First off, this is what you see. Got this closet right here. I might put like my broom and stuff in there. I don't know yet. And that's my Wi-Fi. Just delivered that. And then Here's the living room. Here's the living room. The other thing about it is just me, so I really don't need that much. Let me cut these lights off a bit. I pay bills. Your girl pay bills, okay? Okay, we'll cut that off. But yeah, this is how the living room looks. And then come this way. Here's the bathroom. I like it. I'm gonna change these lights because they're yellow. I don't like that. But yeah, the shower is cute. Whatever. I mean, it's not much you can get out of a bathroom. Or something in there. Okay. And then here's my room. Okay, it's not that big, but you have to think about it, it's just me. Here's the room. Can't get any more simpler than that. And then here's the closet. Okay. Enough of that. Here's my favorite part of the house. The kitchen. The kitchen is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my God, I love the kitchen. And then here's the pantry. I don't need this much space for a pantry, so I might put like some of my school stuff in here on one side, cause I am in school. And then on this side, just use this side for like the pantry, like a little section over here, cause I don't need this much for the pantry. And then yeah, here's the kitchen, the stove, the microwave, the fridge. Love that it came with the washer and dryer. The light work? Oh, girl. But yeah. And the cabinets. Dishwasher. Cut these lights off that we pay bills. It's just a vibe. I love that it's open concept. I love that I can see the living room from the kitchen. I love that. But yeah, that's it.